Learn how to make almond milk from scratch. Creamy and flavorful, it's delicious in smoothies, lattes, oatmeal, baked goods, and more. Ingredients: 1 cup almonds. 4 cups filtered water. Instructions: 1. Soak the almonds. Cover them with 2 cups of water in a large bowl or jar and let them soak for 4 to 6 hours. This step is optional, but may help with blending later if you don't have a powerful blender. Drain the almonds through a fine mesh strainer before moving on to the next step. 2. Blend. Add the almonds and 4 cups of fresh water to a blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for at least 60 seconds until no pieces of almonds are visible and the mixture looks creamy. 3. Strain. Pour the almond milk through a nut milk bag or cheesecloth, squeezing well to extract the milk. You can save the remaining almond pulp for another recipe or discard. If you would like to flavor the almond milk with vanilla or chocolate flavorings, this is the time to whisk in any additions. 4. Enjoy! You can use the almond milk right away or store the almond milk in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can freeze leftovers, if needed, for up to 3 months too. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.